Hi, I'm Rachel Schmucker, and I was a sales and licensing intern at Logo Brands this summer. In this role, no day looked quite the same, however my major projects involved research. This involved finding contacts for the sales department and researching HBCU's schools for licensing. The most important things I gained were experience with enterprise planning software, solidifying my Excel skills, and learning about licensing contracts. I found this program through Jennifer Blackman after completing the Believe program at Auburn. I applied by emailing the contact on the application. Maggie McHugh, the VP of Strategic Partnerships, interviewed me on Zoom. The whole process took less than a month. What I enjoyed most was being exposed to so many different things because it makes me a more valuable employee. My advice to future interns would be to get to know your coworkers because it makes the day-to-day routine more fun. I'm inserting some pictures from our Strategic Partnership Summit that we hosted in Nashville in June. It's been a great summer and I've learned a lot. I would say that I'm sad to go, but I'll be back in less than a week. War Eagle!